Here's a helpful PC tip you should know: how to create a bootable USB for Windows 11. Open your browser and type Windows 11. You will notice a website from Microsoft. So click this, scroll down, and look for Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Then select this. Now click Download Now. Here, choose Product Language. Be sure to select English. Now click this to start downloading Windows 11 ISO. It may take a few minutes to download depending on your internet speed. Next, we need to download Rufus. On your browser, type Rufus Download. Click this. Scroll down and look for Download. Select the first one, then click it to open. Be sure you insert your USB, then click on Select, then select the Windows 11 ISO we downloaded earlier. Now, click on Start. Just click OK to proceed. It may take a while, so please wait for the process to finish. Once done, you can close it, and your bootable Windows 11 installer is ready to use. Hit subscribe for more cool tips and tricks.